Escapade Topo 2, the ultimate off-road adventure trailer. The Escapade Topo 2 is a rugged, premium teardrop trailer designed to handle even the toughest terrains. Built with a single-piece composite body reinforced with a structural pet core, it offers exceptional durability and weather resistance for all your outdoor adventures. Key features: tough and weatherproof, built to endure extreme conditions. Smooth off-road ride, independent suspension system for stability. Spacious interior, comfortably sleeps 2 people. Well-equipped rear galley makes outdoor cooking effortless. Sleek and innovative design, perfect for modern adventurers. Price: the Escapade Topo 2 starts at around $43,000. Would you take this off-road beast on your next camping trip? Tell us in the comments. Evo Trail Smart E-Wagon, the ultimate hands-free hauling. The Evo Trail Smart E-Wagon is a revolutionary electric wagon designed to make hauling heavy loads a breeze. Thanks to advanced technology, this wagon automatically follows you, adjusting its speed to match yours, so you never have to carry a thing. Why it's awesome: self-following. No need to push or pull. The wagon trails behind you, keeping pace with your movements. Powerful and tough. With an 800-watt brushless motor, it can carry up to 200 pounds and tackle various terrains like a pro. Fisker's Hippie XA3 is the perfect tool for outdoor lovers and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're cutting firewood, trimming branches, or handling small tasks on a camping trip, this lightweight hatchet makes the job easy. Designed for comfort, it has an ergonomic handle that provides a firm grip. The Hamax Outback Skiing Kit is a game-changing trailer that works as both a stroller and a skiing kit, making it perfect for winter adventures. During the warmer months, you can use it like a regular stroller, thanks to its wheels. When winter hits, simply switch to skis for smooth snow travel. This kit is especially great for active parents. Vice Pro Trailer, your ultimate ice fishing trailer. The Vice Pro trailer is a must-have for ice fishing enthusiasts. It's built with a lightweight fiberglass shell and a sturdy aluminum frame, making it both portable and durable, perfect for harsh ice fishing conditions. Why you'll love it: easy ice access. The unique suspension system allows the trailer to drop down to ice level, making it super easy to drill holes and start fishing. Spacious and comfortable. Inside, you'll find plenty of room for comfortable seating and storage, keeping all your gear organized. Warm and cozy. With insulated windows and a powerful heater, you'll stay warm and comfortable even in the coldest weather. Introducing the Jetboil Minimo, your go-to outdoor stove for quick and easy meals on the go. At $141, this compact stove is designed for perfect temperature control thanks to its patented regulator. Whether you're boiling water, frying, or making sauces, the Minimo can handle it all. One cylinder of fuel can boil up to 12 liters of water, making it ideal for cooking or drinking. If you're in an area with clean snow, you can even melt it for water. If not, just find a nearby river or bring your own drinking water. The best part? The Minimo weighs only 415 grams, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure where you need a reliable cooking solution. With the Jetboil Minimo, you'll have a hot meal or drink ready in no time, no matter where you are. It's the ultimate tool for outdoor cooking enthusiasts looking for convenience, efficiency, and portability. Chash JetCycle Max. Ride the water with pedal power. Meet the JetCycle Max, a one-of-a-kind human-powered hydrofoil boat that makes water adventures more exciting than ever. It's a mix of a pedal boat, hydrofoil, and kayak designed for smooth and effortless riding. How it works: just start pedaling. The propeller-driven hydrofoil lifts the boat above the water, reducing drag and making you glide faster with less effort. No fuel, no batteries, just pure pedal power. Why you'll love it: speed up to 12 kilometers per hour, 7.5 miles per hour. Feel the thrill on water. Super stable and easy to ride, perfect for beginners and pros. Lightweight and durable, handles calm and choppy waters. Eco-friendly and 100% human-powered. No emissions, just fun. Mid-Zoo spyglasses are a fun and affordable way to record videos hands-free without anyone noticing. Hidden cameras are getting smaller and cheaper, and for just $40, these glasses let you discreetly capture what you see. As a bonus, they come with a free 16 gigabyte memory card, giving you enough storage for up to 10 hours of video. The built-in camera records in full HD, 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second, ensuring clear and smooth footage. Videos are saved in AVI format and automatically split into 10-minute clips for easy storage. Despite having a hidden camera inside, these glasses are lightweight, weighing just 1.2 ounces, so they're comfortable to wear all day. A single charge lasts around 50 minutes, making them perfect for quick recordings. They work with both Windows and Linux, and the manufacturer suggests they can even be used as a dash cam or baby monitor. Multi-Pick Chronos is the ultimate tool for those who need to open locks quickly and efficiently. Whether you've lost your keys or are dealing with a stubborn lock, this electric lockpick can help, though it does require some practice to master. The manufacturer calls it their most successful model, trusted by professionals and enthusiasts alike. It's powered by a 2900 milliamp hour battery, providing up to 2 hours of continuous use, so you won't have to worry about it running out of juice too soon. Despite its powerful performance, it's lightweight at just 12.3 ounces and fits easily in your pocket, making it super convenient to carry around. The kit also includes additional needles for practice, helping users develop their skills over time. The manufacturer emphasizes that real lockpicking takes technique, and cracking cheap plastic locks doesn't count as a true test of skill. Nomad Kitchen LT. Cook anywhere, anytime. Love cooking outdoors? The Nomad Kitchen LT is a light, foldable, and portable kitchen setup designed for adventurers who want quick and easy meal prep on the go. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or enjoying a picnic, this compact system has Oasis Go, your backpack that becomes a lounger. The Oasis GO is a super versatile backpack that transforms into a comfy air lounger, making it perfect for those who love to relax wherever they go. Its sleek design and premium materials blend style and functionality perfectly. Why you'll love it. Two-in-one design. This isn't just a backpack. It turns into a cozy air lounger you can use on land or in the water. Whether you're hiking, camping, or chilling at the beach, it's your go-to relaxation tool. Quick inflation. Thanks to the built-in air pump, you can easily inflate your lounger in no time, so you can relax faster. Spacious storage. The backpack has plenty of room for all your gear, making it practical for daily use or your next adventure. On-the-go comfort. Enjoy comfort no matter where you are, whether you're exploring the outdoors. Julka Garago is a cozy, off-grid escape designed for those who want to disconnect from the modern world and enjoy nature. Created as an art project rather than a commercial product, it focuses on simplicity and peace. The designer, an artist rather than an engineer, built it with a minimalist approach. No screens, no smart assistants, just a quiet space to relax. Shaped like a smooth teardrop, this little retreat blends beautifully into the landscape. Inside, you'll find a large mattress, a window with a scenic view, and a simple bench that doubles as a shelf. Hash OZ Trail Blockout Tent. Sleep like a pro in the great outdoors. The OZ Trail Blockout Tent is perfect for campers who want comfort and convenience. With its blockout technology, this tent blocks out light, letting you sleep peacefully even during the brightest days. No more waking up early from the sun, just a good long rest. Plus, the superior insulation keeps you cool in the summer and warm in cooler months, making it a great option for year-round adventures. Why you'll love it. Blockout technology. Blocks light for a better sleep day or night. Temperature control. Stay comfortable in both hot and cold weather. Spacious interior. Plenty of room for relaxation and all your camping gear. Quick and easy setup. The fast frame system lets you set up in minutes. Pebble Flow, the all-electric travel trailer that's changing RVing. Introducing the Pebble Flow, the future of travel trailers. This all-electric RV is designed to offer a luxurious and eco-friendly travel experience. Created by experts from Apple, Tesla, Rivian, Zook, and Volvo, it combines the latest technology with sleek, modern design. Why it's amazing. Eco-friendly power. Powered by a 45 kilowatt EV battery, the Pebble Flow offers sustainable travel without sacrificing performance. Smart features. It connects seamlessly with your phone via a mobile app, letting you easily control features like lighting, climate, and off-grid capabilities. Spacious and stylish. Inside, you'll find premium materials, advanced climate control, smart lighting, and all the comforts of home. Aerodynamic design. Built with top-tier aerodynamics, it's as efficient on the road as it is stylish. Polydrop's P17X Explorer, the ultimate adventure trailer. The Polydrop's P17X Explorer is the perfect teardrop trailer for anyone who loves outdoor adventures but doesn't want to compromise on style or comfort. With its sleek aerodynamic shape and lightweight aluminum build, it's designed for easy towing, making it ideal for off-grid explorations. What makes it awesome? Built for the outdoors, featuring a tough, powder-coated frame and all-terrain tires, this trailer is ready to take on any challenge, whether you're driving on rough roads or heading into the wilderness. Comfort inside. Despite its rugged exterior, the P7X is all about comfort. It has insulation, a cozy sleeping area, LED lighting, and even optional solar power to keep you comfy no matter where you are. Adventure ready. If you don't have a garage, the portable garage is a smart and affordable solution. It's a cover that works like a mini garage, protecting your car from the elements. With its multi-layer design, it helps maintain the right temperature inside for up to 10 to 12 hours, making it perfect for all seasons. Some models even have zippers, so you can easily access your car without removing the whole cover. To keep your vehicle safe, the kit includes a cable lock that secures the cover to your car's wheel, preventing thieves from taking it. Whether you have a regular car or an SUV, up to 5.6 meters long, there's a model that fits. You can also get custom covers for a more personalized fit. Best of all, this portable garage is budget-friendly, with prices starting low, making it a great option for anyone looking to protect their car without breaking the bank.